I'm Israel Torres. I'm a proud 2024 graduate at Wichita Northeast Magnet High School, where I got to find my passion of engineering. At Northeast Magnet, I got to serve as the student body president, president of the UNICEF Club, hold a treasurer position at the National Honor Society. Throughout my junior and my senior year, I got to be part of the Superintendent's Advisory Council, and so from there, I got to pretty much represent my high school and kind of speaking at board meetings. So at Northeast Magnet, I was actually got to be part of the engineering magnet, and so from there, I really fell in love with engineering. So I decided to kind of look out and apply for an internship with Textron Aviation. Now I'm at Wichita State University studying mechanical engineering, and this summer I actually got to participate in a summer internship with GE Aerospace. Ultimately, the goal is just to become a manager, be a people leader. Because of WSU Tech and Northeast Magnet, I became future ready. I was able to take some of my time during high school to be part of internships during the school day so that I could gain resume experience.